Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Safety First Security Services. Today we are going to learn how to download the SGT Safe Exam browser, which is mandatory for security examination. I believe you all have booked your security guard exam and now you're looking forward to download the SGT Safe Exam browser. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you have to go to the website and search SGT browser download. Alright. So we have to go to the official website and use security testing. So this is the website. Click on the link. You will get a PDF and you will see options to choose between Windows and Mac. As I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna go with the first option, which is Windows. So we have to click here and the installation package will download automatically. Once the download is complete, we have to open the file. So now we get a prompt, so we have to click next here to start our installation. So they're asking to change the folder, so we don't have to actually just keep as it is and click next. So now our installation will begin, so we have to click install and they will ask admin permission to make changes to this device, so we have to say yes. Okay, so give permissions to make changes, say yes. Installation will begin. Okay, so this might take several minutes, so we have to wait until our installation is complete. Okay, all right, so they're asking again to say yes, changes to this device, yes. So our installation is done. Now we have successfully downloaded the Safe Exam browser. So do you want to quit for now? For now, I'm gonna quit. All right. As we have successfully downloaded our Safe Exam browser, we can just try to open the browser. Okay, so when you will open Safe Exam browser, you won't be able to access other apps on your device. And when you're gonna click on open Safe Exam browser, you will need credentials. So you have to refer to the confirmation email that Circo has sent you the day you have applied for your exam. Okay, so you have a confirmation email for your exam. In that email, you will get your username and password. You have to log in with those credentials, and I request all of you to please log in to the SGT browser before 15 to 20 minutes and make sure your browser is working fine. That's all. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much uh, being with me throughout this video, and wishing you very good luck for your exam.